Hey, Dr. Michael Schuneman here, chiropractor at Life Symmetry Chiropractic. Today's chiropractic thought deals with a question that I hear a lot. Basically comes down to what can chiropractic help with? So most people have the idea that chiropractic can help with back pain, neck pain, headaches, and things like that, which is true. But if you saw the first Chiropractic Thoughts video, you learned that the first chiropractic patient was actually helped with his hearing and not with pain. And in thinking about that question and answer to that question, I want you to think about a few questions. And those questions being, what effect does reducing stress have on health? And also, what effect does strengthening the immune system have on health? So with that in mind, we're going to jump into a little bit of chiropractic history, and that deals with the 1917-1918 flu epidemic. And it's one of the things that actually led to chiropractic being licensed in many states in the U.S. So during the 1917-1918 flu epidemic, it's estimated that flu was responsible for 500,000 deaths in the U.S. alone. To put that in perspective, currently that's a little less than deaths from heart disease or cancer in the U.S. each year, and those are currently number 1 and number 2 causes of death in the U.S. So it's a big deal. So during the flu epidemic, people started noticing that chiropractic patients had a much better outcome than medical patients. To give you a few stats here, in Davenport, Iowa, where chiropractic had its start, medical doctors treated 4,953 cases with 274 deaths. It's not bad. It's a 94.47% survival rate. However, chiropractors in Davenport saw 1,635 cases with only 1 death. So that's a survival rate of 99.94%. Now, if you're like me, you may hear that and think, okay, well, maybe they weren't seeing the bad cases of flu, and that's why their numbers were so high. Well, not necessarily. In Oklahoma, there were actually 233 cases of flu that had been treated by medical doctors and given up as hopeless, that were then treated by chiropractors, and all survived except 25, which is a 89.27% survival rate in a group that was basically given up as dead. That's pretty amazing. So how can that be? Well, the nervous system controls and coordinates all functions in the body, including the immune system. So besides this historical evidence, there have actually been a few studies that have shown that after a chiropractic adjustment, the immune system is actually strengthened. So when the spine is misaligned or not moving properly, what we call a spinal subluxation in chiropractic terms, it affects how well the nervous system functions. And those spinal subluxations cause interference with the signals or information that's sent through the nervous system, and the body cannot function at its best, and because of those blocked or garbled signals. If you think of trying to give directions over a bad cell connection, you get an idea of what the body's dealing with. So, the answer to the question, what can chiropractic help with? It can help the body overall to function better, and therefore, I sincerely believe it can help with any health problems. Now, I want to be completely honest here. That does not mean that chiropractic is a treatment for every disease or will solve every health problem. Chiropractic doesn't treat disease or illness like medicine, but it does help the body to function better, and that allows the body to heal itself. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button below and leave a comment of what you thought or any questions that you have, and we'll see you on the next thought. Thanks.